Autofill series we are going to see class. So once again, please pay attention. I'm going to share the screen. Okay. I have opened the Excel. Excel you can also open by using the run command. Open the run command by pressing Window and R and then type here Excel. And then click on the OK. The Excel window will open. You should have to wait for the few minutes. It will take time. Windows and it may open the Excel. Look here. Now after we have to select the blank that you know very well. One warning bar is coming, close it by here. Now we should have to increase the size of the cell. So I have to bring the mouse pointer here and then I can increase. Look here. Here I'm going to type 1, down 2, then 3, then 4. And I have to type up to the 100. So my dear student, it is very difficult to type 100 times. So what will I do? I have to type the few terms of that number, like a 1, 2, 3, 4. I have type up to the 4 terms and I will select all. And then after, I will come to the corner and I will drag and drop. Up to which number we have to go? If we have to go up to the 100, see here, downside it is showing 100 also. Now 100 is up to here, so now 100, leave it. You will see the computer will automatically what? Enter here up to the 100. Same like that. I want to make a Sunday like a here. Yes. Like that. Again, I will do. Okay. It automatically shows there. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Now I need January, February. So January, then after the February, then March. Like that, if I want. So I will do this and I will drag it down. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Understand? All of you? So we will use the formula and we will see how to do. So again, I will share the screen. Already we have seen how to show the series. Let me delete all. And again, I am going to show here the series of 1020. I will write the few terms and I will drag it to the down. It will come. Here, I am going to write the series of 20, 40, 60. 20, 40, 60. And then again, I will select these all and I will drag it to the down. So it will come in the series of this one. And here, I want to add the sum of this cell and the sum of that cell. So for doing calculations, we need to write the formula. And what is the formula? The formula we will start by typing the first letter equal sign. Sorry. Here we need to get the sum of A plus B. So I will write here is equal to, and the cell address, which cell you are going to use in your additions. So I need to use here this cell. What is the address? A1. Then we have to write here plus. Then I will click on that cell. So that is the address of B1. Automatically it may show there and then the press enter. Now look here. I will simply drag to the downside and the formula automatically will copy. Look here, all of you. The sum of 10 plus 20 is the 30. The sum of 20 plus 40 is equal to 60. The sum of 30 in A plus 60 is equal to 90. And you have seen, I have typed only the A1 plus B1. But here formula is automatically changed. It is coming A2 plus B2 and here A3 plus B3. That is called the relative address. I taught na first day about the relative addresses, about the absolute addresses, about the mixed addresses. And I told whenever we are using the relative addresses and if we are dragging into the another column, the cell addresses automatically change according to that columns. We are going to see how to add more than one cell addresses. Suppose this is a cell, the blackboard, I think it is visible to you. Look here, this is a cell. This is our Excel worksheet. And here we have written text. This is the A column, this is the B column, this is the C, this is the D. And we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the row numbers. And we have value 10, 20, 30, 40. And in this cells, I want the sum of 10, 30, 20, 40. What it will come? It will come 70, 80, 100. In this cell, it will show sum of all these numbers is equal to 100. So how we will write the formula? We will write here in the formula one is equal to address of this cell A1, then plus address of this cell, which is the B1. Then we have to write the address of this cell, it is the A2. And then we have to write the address of this cell, that one is the B2. And as I will press the enter key, it will show the 100 into the C1 cell. So come here, I will show you. Look here, 10, 20, let me to do here 30. And I will delete all these numbers. This is also I will delete. And I want to get here. So what I will write is equal to which cell? This cell, then plus. I want this cell, then click on that cell. Then again I want plus this cell, then again plus sign. And again click on this cell and then press the enter key. Okay. It came 100. And there is one more benefit. If we are going to do the changes in these all cells, the result will automatically change. If I am writing here 80, then look here, the result automatically change. Here writing 90, result will change. Here I am writing 5,000. Look here, 500, 5,000. Is it clear? So we are going to see if we want to create a table of any numbers, table of 10, table of 20, table of 38, table of 45, table of 110, then also we are not remembering how we will do. Come, I will show you. We have to open the Excel sheet and we have to write here what? If we want to type the table of 38, then first I will write 38 there. And in the B column, I will write, because all the tables they are showing up to the 10 terms. So 10 terms I will generate. I will write up to the 3 and I will generate up to the 10. Now 10 came. Then again I will copy these all value into the up to the 10 cells here. And then is equal to, I will write the formula. I will take the A1 cell and I will do the multiplication with the B1 cell and I will press the enter. Then again I will copy these all formulas into the 10 terms. You will get the table of 38. If you are knowing the 3 terms like that, the table of 38 is a what? First term is a 38, second term is a 76, and the next term is a 114. Then I will select all and I will drag. It will also show the table like a table of 32. 32, then we have a 32 2 64 and 33 is a what? 96. Yeah. Then what will I do? I will select this all and I will drag it to the down. Now the table of 32 will come. Is it clear?